In India, not everyone gets a fair chance to participate in sports. This is because coaches find it hard to find talent. Talent is often concentrated in rural areas, and opportunities are only limited to them. Not only this, politics often tends to influence who gets selected and who does not. Now, imagine if there was an app that was able to solve all of these issues. This is where Team Nyxion comes in, and our problem statement is an AI-powered mobile platform that will help democratize sports talent assessment. So the existing gaps in our problem statement is that manual evaluations are often slow and inconsistent. There is no standardized sports assessment tool as of now that is widespread and scalable, and that is also low cost. The unique edge that our solution offers is that we have a gamified interface. Our solution works on entry-level phones as well. We have a leaderboard, and we have on-device AI, and we have gene detection as well. And the way we intend to implement our solution is that athletes will be able to record videos. Now they do not need internet, like high speed internet, in order to upload these videos. They only need minimal internet. And after upload is complete, assessment will happen completely offline. On device AI will be able to assess their videos, and that is how the assessment will be done. Now, after this, the computer vision will analyze videos instantly, and the multi-layer cheat detection will ensure that no amount of uh, cheating happens. Now, the gamified interface will be able to provide instant feedback, and people will be able to leave unique comments on each video, such that people will be able to give feedback to a user. So the process flow for the app will be as follows. Now consider I am an user who's using the app for the first time. I will see in order I only need to give my credentials in order to log in and upload and assess how my performance is. I do not need to give my credentials in order to view the video. Now considering I am a sports person, I am an athlete who wants to assess how his performance is. I will be able to record my own video and it will be sent using minimal internet to the servers. And although it is being sent to the servers, the assessment will happen completely offline using AI. Afterwards, it will be securely stored in the SAI server, and I'll be able to see my own performance in the web dashboard. It will be instantaneous, and as far as feasibility and viability goes, the technical feasibility is that industry standard tools such as Flutter, TensorFlow Lite, and Firebase enable rapid scalable development. As far as financial feasibility goes, users will be able to use the smartphones they already have. This could be any low budget, mid range, flagship, any phones they have. Because our solution uses AI, any person from any economic background will be able to use their smartphones. As far as operational feasibility goes, nationwide deployment via App Store will ensure uniform deployment all across the country. Now, the potential challenges that we may face will be three. The first being data privacy. Now, this is where the lion's share of our investment will go. We need state-of-the-art servers and high-end firewall protection in order to do this. So it can be done, but we need the investment to get it done. The second being AI accuracy. Now, here the thing is, uh, it won't be a problem on our end. It will be how the users will be able to upload the videos. Will it be uniform lighting conditions? Will it be uniform distance from the camera? Cameras may differ. They may have different megapixels. So how will we tackle that? In order for that to happen, we are going to implement a uniform parameter such that only people who finish through the parameters will be able to verify their uploads. As in, say, 5 meters away from the camera, 5 steps away from the camera, and sunlight will be direct sunlight at say 10 p.m. depending on the geographical data that they live in, which we already have access to because we're going to use our sensors that is already in our smartphone. The third being user adoption. Now for user adoption, the main problem will be how will users come to know of it, and how will the users who do come to know of it use it effectively. In order to tackle that, we will have scouts that are implemented by the government in each sector. Say a district as like Coimbatore or a city like Coimbatore, it will have a scout and they will be able to get in contact with people from their locations to ensure that user adoption is at its peak. People will get to know it through schools and colleges, and so we'll do it in a way such that no one is left out. We'll make sure every part of India is covered equally. The primary impact being every side gets a chance to be seen, regardless of how their qualification is, and it will replace bias with standardized data-driven assessment. Now, if we are looking at the UN qualified SDGs, we qualify for five of these SDGs already. Five being quality education, which is SDG 4, SDG 5, which is gender equality, SDG 10, which is reduced inequalities, SDG 16, which is strong institutions, and SDG 17, which is partnership for the goals. We also have key benefits which are cost effective and scalable. Our implementation will be transparent and the selection will be unbiased. It will build trust in selection system and it will uncover hidden talent, which is what we vouch for the most. Our long-term vision is that this platform lays the foundation for inclusive, data-driven sports policy in India, aligned with national goals and global SDGs. Fair play should begin with fair selection because talent should never be hidden by bias. Thank you, and this is Team Nixion.